to the Food Photo Circle YouTube channel. This is Julia and this is Laura. On this channel you'll find a full-on food photography course for free. For free! We're talking 3 full courses and everything. I mean like a proper buffet of food photography knowledge. These courses are worth more than $3,000. Why have we decided to put 3 whole courses up on YouTube for free?
Well, that's a good question. But we want to give back to the world and we believe that knowledge should be shared. We started a business and created these in-depth courses over the span of the last 3 years.
We thought about selling the courses.
Obviously.
But the reality is that turning it into a video course business was taking away our passion for photography and our passion for teaching. And life and breathing.
And eating.
And all the good things.
So what are we gonna do sitting on all these awesome content in our hard drives? So we decided to just gift it to the world.
So it's too good to go to waste.
So now we have a mission. Truth is, we've had a mission since the beginning, and that's why we created these courses in the first place.
Yeah. But running these video courses as a business was taking our focus away from the mission and away from our purpose as educators.
And the techie side was killing us.
Mamma mia. We want to give back to you, and we've decided that YouTube was the best way to share the knowledge because 1, it's free and accessible to everyone.
And obviously, secondly, it's almost tech-free, and that means no more coding, no more plugins, no more integrations. At the end of the day, we just want to spend more time in the kitchen with our cameras in hand.
And less time on the phone with tech support.
What can you expect to find on this channel?
Glad you asked. On this channel, we plan to share 3 complete and comprehensive video courses that we've been creating for the past 3 years. They're ready to go, baby. We just need to post them.
Subscribe if you want to tag along the journey, because obviously you're not going to want to miss them.
Basically, we take you from a photographer wondering which lens to buy to a pro that can confidently shoot any subject pretty much anywhere.
Let's get into those deets. You'll find full-on detailed food photography course which teaches you everything about light, composition, styling, gear, camera settings, etc.
Yes, so are you ready to get images that look like they belong in a cookbook? We also chuck in some worksheets for you to download so you can practice after watching the lessons.
Also, we will publish our editing course, which covers in depth not only Lightroom, but also more advanced retouching techniques in Photoshop.
So you can learn all the fundamentals, like how to manipulate shadows and light, and as well as how to change colors, multiplying objects, and all the cool things about Photoshop.
And for our smartphone lovers out there, we also have a smartphone food photography course where you learn how to shoot with your phone.
Yes, your feed is gonna look delicious and your followers will drool. But wait a second. Let us introduce ourselves because, what do we know and why should you even listen to us, right?
We're professional food photographers with international clients and complementary skill sets.
Yeah, Laura runs a successful food photography blog. She collaborates with many brands and is the queen of social media.
And Julia here has years of experience working in the advertising and commercial world with big projects and brands.
We combine the expertise of both of us to bring you the full picture on the world of food photography.
We weren't born food photographers though.
Laura was a successful lawyer.
And Julia here was a speech and language therapist. We had great career.
But we were miserable. We were tied to our 9-to-5 jobs and we had no time and no energy to invest into food photography.
And we were so stuck and we were improving so little. We had to put the puzzle together little by little and it took us a long time. Has it happened to you right now? So leave a comment if it resonates with you.
At the end, luckily, we got better and better, and clients started booking us. And at some point, ta-da! Our side hustle turned into a very rewarding business.
Since then, we went on and worked for some amazing clients, including National Geographic and other prestigious magazines, big supermarket brands, international food brands, Michelin-starred restaurants.
And we also won awards. Our work was shortlisted and finalist at the Pink Lady Food Photography Awards for a few consecutive years in many categories. And have you heard of this contest? It's the most prestigious food photography contest in the world. If you don't know about it, go look it up right now and submit your photos. So that's it about us. Stay tuned to watch all the delicious courses that we're gonna upload here. And in the meantime,
Stay hungry.
and may the light be with you. Ciao! Perfetto, Laura, brava! We're nailing this.